are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, trip computer, leather seats, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.